So this question is, my sister is coming to town for next week, and I've never practiced maintenance, so I want to do this next week while she is here. Currently, I am at 15 to 1600 calories a day, and I'm losing about a half a pound a week. 1800 to 2000 calories per day while she is here, a good number to start. And we talked a little bit about this, I want to say a week or so ago. And ultimately, what I instructed is if we're talking about a week, being exact for a maintenance break is not really essential. So even if you're off by 100 calories, it's not going to kill you because there's no way you're going to eat 3,500 calories plus over your maintenance calories in that week and then gain true body weight. Okay. Those numbers based on where you are with your weight loss sounds about right. Okay. And then what I would encourage you to do is in the forums, and if our moderators could share this link, I would like to go ahead and there's a video series called How to Maintain Successfully, I believe it is. I just found it today for another member to share with her. It's a little video series on how to maintain or how to take a maintenance break successfully. Let me see if I can get to come up here. Well, I have one called I am scared to go into maintenance or to take a maintenance break. That one's good for the fear factor. And then there is one. Hold on. Four-step plan to a successful maintenance break. So this video series would be another really good one for you to take a look at. And I'll go ahead and share it here in the forum so uh, our moderators can share that. So that plus if you're feeling a little nervous about it, you might want to check out that other video. But the calories look fine. And again, if you're talking maintenance for the rest of your life or for a prolonged period of time, being way more exact is important because over the course of months and months and months, if you're overshooting by a few hundred calories, that will add up to weight creep over time. But if you are just talking about like 1 week, 2 weeks, even a month, it's not going to really make or break you. It's just going to be maybe a little bit of a creep or a little bit of a decline. It's not going to be anything major.